Ikaw ba yung may kapatid na may sakit?
Opo, sir.
Gusto mo ba pumunta sa Amerika?
Oo, gustong-gusto ko ho.
What exactly are you looking for, Mr. Warren? A pen pal?
No, I'm looking to get married, start a family.
An award-winning film shown in over 25 film festivals around the world.
Sana magkasundo kami, no?
Well, what are you worried about? My brother said he'd sell you the building, didn't he?
Yeah, but I get this funny feeling your brother plans on staying in your parents' apart.
Yeah, well, he better not.
Hindi po ba ibigay niyo na sa akin yung mga papeles ko?
Makulit ka talaga, no? Gusto mo mga papeles mo? Magdala ka ng pera.
Anong pera?
Michael Wilmington of the Chicago Tribune says, another green card romance, but this time the broader canvas in both the Philippines and the U.S. gives the story a wider emotional range and a near epic feel.
Oh, wag kang tumakbo, Ningning! Oh, ano nangyari sa'yo?
A lawyer looked it over. Everything's in order. All we need is your signature.
I've changed my mind. I'm not signing. I'm staying. I want to keep this place.
I need this goddamn money. Now you sign it.
Pumayag na ho kayo. Ito lang ho ang paraan para maoperahan sila Ningning. Sobra na ho yung paghihirap niya eh.
Magkano ba kailangan sa ahensya?
50,000 piso ho.
Abay, wala tayong pera.
Ikaw, Ham, igagarantiya mo yung bahay at lupa mo para kapalit ng 50,000 ko.
Opo, senyor.
My brother getting married. I guess that means you want to start a family too, right?
Yeah. Why, is there anything wrong with that?
Yeah. You don't deserve a family.
Sala ka ba?
Para magkasara tayo, isama mo na yung dalawang kalabaw dun sa bahay at lupa bilang kolateral. Kung hindi, so na lang.
Sige. Papayag na po ako.
Look, I heard about you agencies. You take people's money, they never hear from you again.
It's been called a deeply moving modern allegory, a universal story that will melt your heart.